Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Hong Kong Borscht soup or 羅宋湯. I'll catch you back in a while. Let's start cooking. Why do I need to catch them back? Okay, let's start cooking. We'll start by browning our beef shin first. Heat up your multi-cooker, add in a little bit of oil. If you do not have a multi-cooker, no problem, you can cook this over stove. I'm using over here 500 grams of beef shin. I just want to brown them, so I'm just putting everything in. Browning them will add more flavor to the soup. So this is what we are going to do. One side of it has been browned already. Now we are just turning it to the other side. I like using shin, although it's a tougher cut. I just need to cook this longer because after cooking it right, when they have softened down, it actually feels like eating jelly-like kind of meat. I don't know how to describe it, but it's something that I really like. And also, it's a cheap cut actually. So if cooked correctly, this is really very nice. This cut of beef is approximately $18 per kilogram in Singapore. Almost all has been browned already. Just slightly more, and we'll remove this from the pot. If you're using this part, make sure that you stew this for a longer period of time because this is a very tough cut. But it's also one of the most flavorful part of the beef. Okay, we'll remove this from the pot now, and I'll show you the next step in a while. Now we'll fry our aromatics. I'm adding in 1 whole red onion, chopped. 1 whole bulb of garlic, just lightly smashed like this will be fine. Take out the skin, put it in. Fry it for a while until the onion is translucent. You can already start to smell the onions, the garlic. This will be a fantastic dish. This is a fantastic hearty soup for your Christmas party. So do keep this in mind when you're organizing your Christmas party. Okay, we add in our vegetables now. I'll be adding in 175 grams of celery, 200 grams of carrots, 250 grams of potato, as well as 3 whole tomatoes cut into pieces like this. So let's just put everything in. We just fry them until the tomato has softened. This will take a while. The tomatoes have started to soften. We'll add in 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, as well as 1 tablespoon of Italian herbs. Mix them up well. Oh, it's smelling so good. Now we add in our beef. Pour the beef back in. Mix them up again. We're adding our stock now. I am using 1.2 liters of chicken stock. Of course, if you do not have homemade chicken stock, you can always get ready-made one. I will now mix in 200 grams of tomato paste. Now later we will need to season this, but now we're just putting all the main ingredients in. I will add in also 3 pieces of bay leaves. Stir the tomato paste in. This is going to be a very flavorful and hearty dish. It can be an entree on its own. You can eat this with baguette and this will be fantastic. Now that this all mixed in, I will be adding in my cabbage. This is 300 grams of cabbage. I'm using round cabbage over here. So just put everything in. Press it down a little bit. I'll set my pressure cooker to 1 hour because I'm using beef shin. If you are using other parts of the beef, you can reduce it to 40 minutes or even 30 minutes. You can ask your butcher on the timing. I will see you back in a while. The soup should be done already. Let's just have a look. Wow, smells really fantastic. Let's just give this a light stir. And just give this a taste. Wow. Wow, really good. Very flavorful. But we need to add a little bit of salt. Add salt to taste. I'll be adding in approximately 1 teaspoon of salt, and this will be really, really good. And now it's time to serve this. And now the soup is done. Let's have a taste. Wow, very hearty. This soup makes for an excellent night supper after drinks. I tell you, this is fantastic. Let's try the carrot. Wow, very hot. Literally melt in your mouth. Very, very soft. Potato. It's like mashed potato when you put inside your mouth. Wow, this is really something. Let's try the beef shin. The beef is really, really tender. Literally melts in your mouth. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like our video and do subscribe to our channel. And Merry Christmas to you.